Hello, friends. When you are planning to build a website for your business and services using WordPress, you need a perfect theme. In this video, we have Success. Success is the theme name that we are going to use an overview in this video. And this is a business and professional services WordPress theme. So why Success? Why you should choose Success WordPress theme? It is mainly due to its simple design and the fast loading and technology that has been used for this WordPress theme makes and gives you a successful website. Style layout is very simple, and you might be thinking why you should use this theme. It is very simple. You can choose any modern theme. Yes, you can go, and there are many on this channel itself. You have hundreds of themes on this channel to choose and compare, but success can actually give you a successful website. So it has been developed by Commerce Guru. If you are already in WordPress development, you might be knowing this name. Commerce Gurus are the developers who made a very successful WordPress theme called Economist. And I must show you the theme that we are using at our project for factory and industrial businesses website. We are using this. So this is one of the preferred theme at our theme bank that we are using at our iCreate program for delivering clients website. So you might be aware about the iCreate program as well. So you can check the portfolio and all the details through the link given in the video description. So I'll show you very quickly. So it is the theme. Success is optimized for SEO, Google SEO, we can say. Reliable theme authors, because the commerce gurus are the developers who are elite author. And if we check further, it is good. Okay, so you will check all these details. Let us come to the point. We are going to create this simple website using Success WordPress theme, and this is going to be our target website. So if you believe in simplicity, this can be a very good choice. So for creating a website, we need a WordPress core installation. Here it is. And you need a hosting plan, maybe shared hosting plan. You can get all these things through the video description link at WP Themes website. For buying the theme, once you decide to purchase this theme, you just need to follow the link given in the description again and go to the themeforest.net, and you need to spend $59. And in this $59, you are going to get the quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, 6 months support from the theme developers, I mean the Commerce Guru. And in addition to this, we are going to help you in every manner in launching your WordPress website here at our iCreate program. You simply go for onboarding connect. It is going to be free when you are buying a theme through the affiliate link that is available in the description. Okay. So here is the phrase installation, and the website is looking like this. And in the theme pack, I have already got the theme, and I'm going to install the theme first of all to show you the installation steps. So under appearance, we can add new theme, upload theme. We just need to choose installable theme, success.zip, that you'll get at the theme download pack at when you'll download the theme at themeforest.net. It got installed. We can check the details further, the version and the name and all. So this is version 1.5.3, and I'm going to activate this first of all. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see which plugins are here. It is going very fast as of now. Advanced Custom Field, commonly known as ACF. Commerce Guru Toolkit is also here. Redux is the framework. It is a superb framework. So I must show you one another important thing why I selected this theme to be on this channel. The framework underscores has been used. This is a very, very advanced framework that you can use for your WordPress website. Further, in the plugin set, we have advanced sidebar menu, contact form 7, display post short code, and the LayerSlider is also included. So this is a premium plugin which is included. MailChimp for WordPress, one-click demo import for installing the demo course, portfolio type. WPBakery is also here for page builder, widget CSS, and Yoast SEO. So all great plugins, and the number of plugins that we need to install is 13. So here are 13 plugins, and I have selected all these and clicked on installed. So let us see if this process works. It will install all the 13 plugins, and we need to wait on this screen since the number of plugins are 13, and it also depends on your hosting speed, so it may take a while. Okay, so just in case all plugins fails to install in a single attempt, the single click is not working for installing all plugin altogether. So you can simply follow the install links one by one, and this is a very safe process to install the plugins without any error. If the plugins are proper, it will get installed, all will get installed. So the contact form 7 is here. I'm installing contact form 7, and similarly I'll install all these plugins. Okay, excellent. So I have installed all the plugins, and we can see the activate links appeared here. So this time I'm going to select all again, and will select activate and click down apply to activate all the 13 installed plugins. So I have installed 13 plugins, and now the activation process for all installed plugins is going on. Okay, so all activated without any trouble, without any error. So we can come back to the dashboard, and this time Yoast SEO is welcoming us. So we can simply first time we can go for first time configuration and all, but yes, it can be done later. So I'm coming back to the dashboard, and here is the dashboard. Action required display post needs one time manual update to continue receiving updates. Okay, that is fine. We will do all these things. It's simple. Okay, nice. So I can see some new navigation like theme options, the portfolio, and advanced custom fields, layer sliders. So new navigations in addition to default WordPress things. And if I can check this website, so it is looking like this with the theme and all set of plugins. Of course, at the next step, we need to import the demo content to make the website, demo website. Just in case if you are planning to make your own design website and you just want to use the basic functionalities that is coming through the theme and all set of plugins, so you can start building your website. You can start designing your website using the page builder and all the options that is available with the theme. And if you want to work on a pre-made template, pre-made website, the demo website, we can simply go for the demo content import process. So under appearance menu, we can see there is an option import demo data, and here we can simply click on import demo data, and on the next screen continue and import. So now the demo content import process has been started in the background, and we just need to wait until we are getting any message on this screen, maybe success or even maybe error. So I'll show you, and you have to show your patience here. Don't disturb the process and sit tight while we import your content, and it is complete. Within 15 seconds, we can say it has been imported. So widget site is the next option, and theme settings we can go. So I'll go for visiting the site. I'm refreshing this page, and let us see. Okay, so the project cannot be found. This is the message, and all the placeholder images are here. So if we check about a page and all, okay, so just LayerSlider is. Please make sure that you have used the right shortcode. So LayerSlider is the hero image area. Rest things has been successfully imported, and we can proceed further for customizing the website, like inner pages, the service page, the portfolio pages. So it is going very fast, and the loading speed is the main reason why you should choose this theme. So And if we talk about the LayerSliders, the dashboard, I'll check if we have received the content. So we can get started. Okay. So there is no slider here. So for LayerSlider project, I mean to use the LayerSlider. For this theme or any other theme, you can simply add a new project here. You can start with a blank project, or you can use the templates. So I'll show you the templates. You can directly import the project if you are having the backup or the import file. And the template, selecting a template is a very good option uh, for creating the hero image area. Just like there are many templates, so you can choose any as per your requirement and the business needs, and it is very simple process to import, and you can go simply for this like pop-up model and all. So okay, so I'm not importing any of these templates because it is totally your choice. I'm just showing you all the options that you can use for customizing your website. Further, we have the theme options at the back end. I'll show you the theme options. In the global setting, we have the settings like container layout, the responsive, the page preloader, the page body background, color and image, body background pattern and all. Further, we have controls on colors, logo, header settings, main menu settings, page options, footer, typography, blog, custom code and all. In the next area, I can see the portfolio where we can control all the portfolio items. So images had not been supplied in the demo content. All the placeholder images are here. You need to upload your own image, of course. So logically, you are uploading your own images, and the rest of things are as common in default WordPress theme. So advanced custom field and the WPBakery. So if you need to set anything regarding page builder, this is the area. And further, we have advanced custom fields. So if you want to customize the fields, field groups, so you can use this. Here's I have already shown you. And on the front end, you can simply edit the content using the page builder. Like this is the page, and we can go for editing the page, and the page builder options will be available. You can add the things here, like if you are adding layer slider, so no sliders are here, so you can import any slider and assign slider to the page from here. Similarly, you can add things, remove things, customize the content, edit the content. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text what has been used in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design integrity. So this is a very simple theme, and I was getting some ping on the live chat, so we are getting regularly the people are nowadays looking for simple easy themes, so this can be a very good option. However, you have all choices, you have numerous choices on this channel itself, so you can choose themes, compare themes, and if you have any direct question, you can start a direct chat with a mentor. There is no fee for this. Even you are not onboarding on the program, even you are not buying the theme through the links, it does not matter. You can ask your question related to WordPress website, and we will try our level best to answer all your queries. In fact, we are answering multiple questions every day. So this is all for you, and you can start building your dream website using WordPress and a perfect WordPress theme. Let us meet in the next video, in which I'm going to bring more useful things for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep building.